Welcome! Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to hide a pin on Pinterest using your PC, especially after the recent updates. If you've ever wanted to keep certain pins out of sight without deleting them, you're in the right place. First, let's get started by opening your web browser. Type in the URL, pinterest.com, and hit enter. This will take you to the Pinterest homepage where all your creative ideas come to life. Once you're on the homepage, scroll through your feed until you find the pin you want to hide. This could be anything from a recipe that didn't turn out quite right to a DIY project that you no longer wish to keep visible. When you spot the pin, go ahead and click on it to open it up fully. Now that the pin is open, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of the pin. This is a menu that gives you more options regarding this specific pin. Click on those three dots, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Hide Pin. This action will prompt another option asking you to choose the reason for hiding the pin. Pinterest often provides various purposes such as Not Interested or I want to keep my boards organized. Simply select the option that best fits your needs. And just like that, you've successfully hidden your pin. It's important to note that hiding a pin doesn't delete it. It simply removes it from view on your boards and feed. You can always access hidden pins later if you change your mind or want to revisit them. This new update makes managing your Pinterest experience more personalized and tailored to your preferences. Whether you're decluttering your boards or just need a break from certain content, hiding pins is a fantastic feature. Thanks for joining me today. Now you're equipped with all the steps needed to hide a pin on Pinterest using your PC. Happy pinning!